Hello, everybody. What you're looking at right now is the day one convective outlook. This is the first time I'm ever doing a day one convective outlook. I've done a day three convective outlook, and I've done a day 4 through 8 convective outlook, but I've never done a day one convective outlook. So this is the day one convective outlook. It has been valid ever since 12:30 at 12:30, and it's 1:15 p.m. This has been valid at 12:30, and it becomes not valid tomorrow at 8 a.m. Central or 8 a.m. Eastern. This is the risk right here. It's an enhanced risk. The tornado threat, it's pretty substantive with a 5% across most of North Dakota, with a wind threat, a 30% hatched risk of severe wind damage, plus going into extreme western portions of Montana. So the hatched risk extends farther than the 30%. And then we get the hail risk, which is pushed back towards the Montana North Dakota border, but goes into central North Dakota, but then gets cut off near Bismarck, and Bismarck is like right there. And then the hatched risk goes into western Montana and goes past the 30% into portions of south central North Dakota. So yeah, that's the outlook. Now we're actually gonna read the outlook summary. So, day one convective outlook, National Weather Service, Storm Prediction Center, Norman, Oklahoma, 11:14 a.m. Central Daylight Time, 10:14 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Thursday, August 7th, 2025. Valid 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time today, until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time tomorrow. There is an enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms this afternoon into tonight across much of North Dakota. Scattered severe thunderstorms are expected later today into tonight across the northern plains. The most likely corridor is centered on North Dakota, where a few tornadoes, very large hail, and significant severe gusts are possible. Eastern Montana to the Dakotas to western Minnesota. A large upper trough is digging into the Pacific Northwest region today, with several shortwave perturbations tracking from the northern Great Basin into Montana and North Dakota. One feature is currently over eastern Montana and has been fostering scattered thunderstorms across that region. Convection in this area is currently in a diurnal lull, but may reinvigorate later this afternoon across parts of central North Dakota as daytime heating and destabilization occurs. Backed low-level winds, dew points in the 70s, and high Cape values will promote a favorable environment for a few supercells capable of very large hail, a few tornadoes, and damaging wind gusts. These storms could persist into the evening, tracking into western Minnesota. Now, another shortwave trough currently over western Idaho will overspread the mountains of Idaho and western Montana this afternoon, promoting the development of scattered strong storms. This activity should intensify further as it moves into a very moist and unstable air mass across southeastern Montana, with a consensus of convective allowing model guidance suggesting upscale growth into a bowing complex by early evening. As these storms progress rapidly eastward across North Dakota and northern South Dakota, there remains the potential for a swath of significant wind damage, along with large hail and a tornado or two. Some guidance suggests the mesoscale convective system will remain severe well into tonight, affecting parts of western and central Minnesota. Just a quick reminder, that is the enhanced risk, the orange, then the slight risk is in the yellow, and the marginal risk is in the green, the dark green. This light green color is where general thunderstorms are just expected to spawn, but they should not become severe. I say should not become severe, but they may become severe. There's a very small chance that some thunderstorms that are accompanied inside of this light green region could become severe. But maybe it's just some general garden variety showers just in this light green area. But then once you get closer to the orange, then it gets much worse. So please stay prepared and know what to do in case of an emergency. Bismarck, Fargo, Minot, Moorhead, and West Fargo are in the enhanced risk. Billings, Grand Forks, Aberdeen, Watertown, and Fergus Falls are in the slight risk. And St. Cloud, Bosman, I don't know how to really pronounce all of these. Butte, Helena, and Elk River, Minnesota are in the marginal risks. So if you live in this region, be prepared for some severe weather. See ya.